Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Um, yeah, don't be scared. Don't run away. So, I just want to share more light on the video that has been going up around, video that has been circulating on TikTok, YouTube. Yeah, I've received tons of messages in my DM, on WhatsApp, on Telegram, asking what is this all about? Is there a free full body swab that does not use credit, that does not use um, subscription? Is there anything like that? Is there a way we can get through it? What can we do to maneuver, blah 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 and all? And yes, some people have actually been, you know, telling people they've been collecting money from people because of this
How it
shit.
is.
They've been collecting money from people because of this stuff. And trust me, I will tell you for free, there is nothing like a full body swab that does not use credit. There is nothing like a full body swab that does not use subscription. Yes, we have a lot of body swab. We have the one of Delulu, we have from Decart, blah 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 and all. But I'll tell you for free again, Decart has one of the best outputs, one of the best results. And from the cards too, we have Lucy 2.5 and we have Lucy 2.1. Lucy 2.1 is the one that people have been using since maybe last year, while the 2.5 just came out recently. I think that should be last month or early this month. And people has been on it. Yes, they've been using it. But the card now has made it so free, easy for people to subscribe. Their credit is so cheap and all. But then the unexpected happened. They implemented new rules that you have to verify your documents. You have to go through face verification, documents uploading before you be able to use their platform without any watermark. So people have been finding that shit so difficult, especially those in Nigeria, some part of Africa. They've been finding it so hard to get through. Yeah, and trust me, we came up with a third party application or probably maybe software where you can access this body swap without having to use the card. Yes, you without having to verify anything. But the credit, you need to buy credit still. But yeah, you can reach out to us, they will put you through. So there's always this scam how they go about, telling you people that it is free, it does not use it doesn't use what's it called, it doesn't use credit. There's always a two trick on it. The first one is the first one is the first one is let me use $100 for instance. Let us use $100. Now $100 is huge. They will tell you that, oh, to get this stuff is $100. So maybe when you pay them the $100, they will remove $50 from it to buy credit for you. They will now lock the API into a software you will not be able to access. Then they will give it to you. Now let's assume that the $50 credit will last you for 3 weeks. You understand? Then they will tell you that it is unlimited, but do not rush it, so they will not blacklist your page. You too, you have the mentality that now you have unlimited software. So maybe after 3 weeks, or maybe you have even introduced some of your friends to them, they've collected money and all. So after like maybe 2 or 3 weeks, sometimes a week, because you now having the mindset that is unlimited, you just be running it, without having to manage your credit. Then at the end of the day, you see that your credit is burned, is not working. Before you message them, you have been blocked. Then the second one is they will charge you maybe 350,000 or 300k, 400k. Then they will put you. I will not mention the old platform. They will put you on a platform where their free time is 2 minutes. 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So that after you've paid them, then the next thing is they'll tell you that, oh, you cannot do unlimited like that, or you just be doing it to 2 minutes. Or how many years do you want to cope with that? how many hours do you want to try before you set up? 2 minutes is gone before you start calling, before the person you are calling, the prank call you want to do, before it will ring, 2 minutes is gone already. You understand now? So all those risks you don't have to take them. So now we have, me and my team, we have come with something real. We don't extort. You come to our DM, well, you ask questions, we tell you, we give you samples, we put you through. This uses credit, and then we will also teach you on how to manage credit. Yeah, people do ask us, does this work on WhatsApp? And no, yes, this works on all platforms depending on the transmitter you are using. Yeah, transmitter is OBS is a sample of the transmitter. If you have OBS, then you can go to any software you want to use. You understand me? So that is just it. Stop being a victim. Stop being a victim. Don't fall for all this. I have something unlimited. I have something you can use. I'll be bringing up the sample now. The sample will be coming up on screen now. I'm coming. Sample will be. I'm trying to look at that. Okay, it will be up soon. So they'll just tell you, they'll give you stories, they'll brainwash you, then you believe every 2 minutes. So you are just so free. Check in the bio, you see a WhatsApp line. Reach out to us on there. We guide you. We do consultation safe. Or is it consultation? Yes, you can consult us. They will tell you what you need to do, what will work better for you, and all. You understand me? And we are friendly. We don't bite. Yeah, trust me, nothing is free in this world. But if we are even going to give you a price, it won't be as high as those that want to extort money from you. We don't lie here. It is better we tell you the truth to keep our reputation going than to lie. Yeah, there is a sample. You can see sharp, clean, and sweet. So please stop being a victim to those that will take money from you. Our DM is always open for questions and all. If you have any questions, if you need to know anything about it, send a DM, then we'll get to you. We are always active. Our service is 24/7. We do not cheat, we don't scam. We do a job that will make you bring your friends and friends. Thank you for watching, thank you for following us. Do try to love, like, share, comment, and reach out. One love.